The Fairchild Republic A-10 Thunderbolt II is the world's undisputed close air support attack jet. As tough as it is ugly, it has built a fearsome reputation as a tank buster and infantry killer in conflicts around the globe, and its GAU-8 Avenger 30mm cannon strikes fear into the hearts of all unlucky enough to be on the wrong side of it. The A-10 was clutched from the jaws of retirement by the 1991 Gulf War. At the time of the conflict, the United States Air Force was making plans to shed its A-10 fleet, citing obsolescence and redundancy. As the ensuing conflict showed, nothing could have been further from the truth, and no other airframe could have provided the U.S. and coalition commanders with the sort of forward air control, close air support, combat search and rescue, and tank-busting capabilities that the HOG did. Since then, the A-10 has delivered capabilities to battlefield commanders in the Balkans, Afghanistan and the Second Gulf War, and Libya. A-10s have flown around 11% of Operation Inherent Resolve sorties, striking as targets in Iraq. Find the link below and buy the book now.